those viewers and listeners who can understand English language very well, especially those brothers and sisters who have been residing in the European countries, I want to leave a very important message through this forum. Basically, Ahmadiyya sect is highly depressed, and obviously it's helpless on the subject of use asif. They are not finding any single ray of hope in this regard. And now to make their people believe that they have had hold on the subject, not only their pioneer, but the followers as well have been deploying fraudulent tactics. They could have accepted the challenge raised by Shams Uddin RB right in the beginning. I mean, they could have responded 2 years back when this challenge was presented to the Ahmadiyya cult. At that time, Shams Uddin RB challenged the Ahmadiyya cult to prove the very claim of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani regarding the old grave found at Srinagar, Kashmir. The cult was very confident that there might have been some proofs in the books of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, and they were waiting for someone, some courageous Ahmadi to come in front and to present that proof. But now they have seen that our team of Jawab or Hawallah Hum Hi Denge has presented the reference out of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani's books, and it is clearly evident that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani has related his bullshit with Quran, and Nauzubillah, he has claimed that Holy Quran told that the grave of Yus Asif found in Srinagar, Kashmir is in fact that of Jesus Christ. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun. The innocent Ahmadi brethren and sisters will surely think about the facts, and they have seen clearly how the facts have been twisted by the followers of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani through various streams. And now I hope they will look forward, they will check the references, and they will think over it. And after thinking and rethinking, they will definitely get to the truth. And inshallah, truth will prevail everywhere. Inshallah. Thank you very much.